Your body contains around 30 trillion cells, yet every day millions of them die. So, why don't you simply run out? The answer lies in one of the most important processes in biology, a process that keeps you growing, healing, and alive. From the moment you're born, your body is constantly changing. Children grow taller, cuts heal, and worn-out cells are replaced every single day. None of this would be possible if your cells never made new ones. The solution is a remarkable process called cell division. Cells divide whenever your body needs to grow, repair damage, or replace old cells that have reached the end of their lives. But before a cell can divide, it has an important job to do. Inside every cell is DNA, the complete set of genetic instructions needed to build and operate that cell. Before division begins, the cell carefully copies all of its DNA so that nothing is missing. That copied DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes. Now comes the moment that makes cell division possible. Next comes mitosis. During mitosis, the duplicated chromosomes are carefully separated so that each future cell receives one complete and nearly identical set of genetic instructions. Finally, the cell pinches itself into two during a process called cytokinesis. The result is two new daughter cells, each able to perform the same functions as the original cell. But if cell division is so important, why don't all cells divide all the time? The answer is that cell division is tightly controlled by chemical signals. Cells divide only when the body needs new cells, helping tissues grow, heal, and stay healthy. In fact, some cells, such as most nerve cells, rarely divide after you've fully developed. When this control system fails, cells can begin dividing uncontrollably, which is one of the defining features of cancer. Here's a fascinating fact. Your body produces millions of new cells every second, constantly replacing worn-out cells and helping keep you alive. So the next time you watch a cut heal or think about how you grew from a tiny baby into an adult, remember this. Cell division is far more than simply making new cells. It's the carefully controlled process that lets your body grow, heal, replace worn-out cells, and pass an almost identical copy of its genetic instructions to every new generation of cells. And that's why cells divide.